And Kanchan, did you want to also share?
Absolutely. I have to say, when we first had to go online, my excitement, because I'm like, yes, we're going to handle this and it's going to be a lot of fun and we're going to do this. I love it. Now, year one, year two, your book is critical now because it's everyone is really savvy about it, and I'm not. And so, which is why I love working with you. But what's really good is the book is giving all the wisdom that you carry with you when I need the questions answered, because we want to be that much better online. The initial stages. And so I was just commenting that I love the beginning, and now it's like, right, your book is so critical, especially with all your wisdom and tips in there. So thank you for putting that out there.
Thank you so much for saying that.